said I'm hype right now, yeah. What do you know about the Matrix? Well, I'm like Neo. This isn't a commentary, this Chris Move Bebo. How I got 1 million people to subscribe. I just wanna know, is that legal? Wait, no. He said I could say a rhyme every time. He said, what was it? Alright. Forget all that. Welcome back. I don't know why I clap. I'm gonna react to them. This is technically part 2. Mukbangers that act like they haven't eaten in years. Now, if I was eating the stuff they was eating, I'd probably eat like that too. On the regular. Dang, I want to do my Krispy Kreme donut mukbang. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's start the video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Fair use. Hurry up. So I haven't been uploading because I was busy. Suddenly thought of the middle of the night. I've been thinking about this. But regardless, I still think it's funny. I hope you enjoy the edits on this one. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Thank you guys to it. Thank you guys for 1 million. Nah, I ain't 1 million.
Alright.
Oh.
Actually, we should probably dip it, huh?
That a mini dinosaur?
You dumb bitch, that's a Cremota dragon.
Dang, that look good. Nah, I wouldn't eat that.
Dip it.
You know you don't want that. Look at her teeth.
Take a bite.
I don't want it.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Now Sopranos. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I don't like your edits.
No.
Hey, get that off my screen. Yo, what is that?
So good.
That could be mayonnaise messing with them. Come on, bro. Yo, how you eat chicken in one bite? You just, well, it wasn't one bite, but you know, like back to back, no swallowing. Pause. Now that looks good. You gonna be constipated. Yo, that look nasty. The way he started eating all that mayonnaise, ranch, whatever it is. That bean sauce.
That is so bomb.
Typical black fat girls, man. No offense. That's how they eat. She was on the last one. Yo, I thought it was a bug. Why is you still eating? You ain't choke or nothing? She did all this, no water, no soda. That's it. I guess that's it. But I'll tell you one thing, I don't like the sounds they be making when they eat. Y'all can sit there and watch them if y'all want to. I don't see what's the point. Y'all watching somebody eat, but if y'all want to watch me eat, y'all more than welcome to. I think I got one eating video that's way at the beginning. It's like so far back. But anyway, if you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe if you made it this far. Check out some of my other videos. I might leave one up here. Subscribe. Might be right here. Subscribe. Or it could be there. Most likely it's gonna be. Alright. I don't know what I'm talking about.